Never mind. My ears. What is happening? Well, I guess this is what happens after you eat at Taco Bell. Goodbye, son. I don't need you. Come on, I can make it. Oh, wow. Great. Now my eardrums almost exploded.
Jump scare. I'm go on! Oh! What? Let's go again. Oh, no, wait! Yes! Yes! Oh! Ow! What was that? Out to be your own dish. Yes, indeed. I provide. What? Yummy food! Oh! Okay, I did not expect that. Let's play it again. I explode! And that's how I became... Wait. That's cannibalism! What? God! Sure! How possible is it? Death, speedrun, Rocky. Ultra login, not winning. Oh, wait, turn down the volume. Let's turn it down. Here we go. Let's do this. Oh! Okay, what?